So recently, Indian Army is testing an AI machine gun that can detect, decide, and destroy enemy on its own. An Indian company has conducted the country's first trial of an AI-enabled lethal weapon system in the collaboration with the Indian Army. The test featured an autonomous machine gun capable of detecting and engaging targets with precision a long distance. It marks a major step in India's efforts to modernize its defense platforms using artificial intelligence. The first autonomous gun trial conducted by the Indian firm between 1 to 8 June 2025, a Bengaluru-based defense firm BSS carried out trials of an AI-controlled Negev light machine gun fitted with 7.62 into 51 barrel. The tests were conducted at high altitude, with the system successfully identifying and tracking targets at up to 300 meters and engaging with accuracy at 600 meters. The maximum effective range of the Negev light machine gun or LMG is 1000 meters. This is the first AI-driven weapon in the India that can fire any gun up to .5 caliber, said Vicky Chaudhary, the co-founder of BSS. During the television interview, we are now among the group of the select few countries which are performing successful trial of an autonomous lethal weapon. The capabilities include sensor fusion and remote operations. The machine gun uses a combination of thermal and optical sensor to detect targets in the low visibility and employs ballistic compensation for the factors like wind, temperature, and the range. The system can be operated remotely using an encrypted command link, reducing the need to place troops in exposed positions. Initial tests began on 5 April in the Rocky, and the high altitude phase took place at 14,500 feet. According to the Chaudhary, the company also said that the weapon system could function in the autonomous mode inside a bunker for up to 21 days. It can also be mounted on armed vehicles and the naval platforms using stabilized system. Growing demand for AI-driven weapons. The trials come at the time when the Indian Army is expanding its light machine gun inventory. In the 2020, India ordered 16,479 Negev guns from the Israel, and the Army has projected a need for 40,000 units. The demand was further reinforced by the use of the Indian-made weapons during Operation Sindoor, which involved action along the Pakistan border. The Ministry of Defense is allocating 1,000 crore every year for the AI research and development projects. This is the part of government's Make in India defense production plan, which targets 1.75 lakh crore in production and 35,000 crore in the exports. It will help our troops in the adverse conditions, Chaudhary said, and our idea is that there should be the minimum intervention in managing a bunker. The trials is in the line with India's strategy to build AI-powered defense systems such as drones, unmanned ground vehicles, and autonomous submarines. These technologies are being developed to reduce human risks and strengthen India's control over difficult terrain and the high-risk areas.